Don't be misled. Starting a business doesn't always require a hefty investment. There's a world of opportunities waiting for you to explore, right from the comfort of your own home, without any initial capital. Dive into this video as we unveil 8 lucrative businesses that you can kickstart without spending a dime, promising substantial income potential. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and show your support by giving this video a thumbs up if you find these ideas valuable. Number 1. Web development. Starting a web development business from home is an excellent way to earn a substantial income without any upfront investment. With the rise of online businesses, the demand for skilled web developers is higher than ever. By taking online courses and honing your skills, you can become proficient in designing and developing websites. As a freelance web developer, you'll have the flexibility to work on projects independently and set your own rates. The benefits of this business include the potential for high income, flexibility in working hours, and the ability to work from anywhere with an internet connection. To start your journey as a web developer, explore online courses and tutorials to learn essential skills such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can attract clients and projects that match your expertise. Number 2. Copywriting. Copywriting is another lucrative business opportunity that requires minimal investment. If you have a flair for writing compelling content, you can offer your services as a copywriter to businesses and individuals in need of website content, marketing materials, or blog posts. As a freelance copywriter, you'll have the freedom to work from home and set your own rates based on your experience and expertise. The demand for high-quality copywriting is constantly growing, making it an attractive business option for aspiring entrepreneurs. To kickstart your career as a copywriter, consider taking online courses to improve your writing skills and learn about different copywriting techniques. As you build your portfolio and reputation, you can expand your client base and increase your earning potential. Number 3. Video editing. Video editing is a valuable skill that can be turned into a profitable business venture from the comfort of your home. With the increasing popularity of video content, there's a growing demand for skilled video editors who can enhance and polish raw footage into engaging videos. By learning the basics of video editing through online tutorials and practice, you can offer your services to content creators, businesses, or individuals looking to improve their video content. As a freelance video editor, you'll have the flexibility to work on projects that interest you and set your rates. To get started, invest in good quality video editing software and familiarize yourself with different editing techniques. Building a strong portfolio, showcasing your editing skills will help you attract clients and establish yourself as a professional in the field. For those eager to explore more advanced editing tools and features, click the link in the video description below. Number 4. Content creation. This field offers a creative and fulfilling business opportunity for individuals with a passion for photography, graphic design, or social media. With the rise of digital content consumption, there's a growing demand for visually appealing and engaging content across various platforms. As a content creator, you can showcase your work online and attract clients or sponsors interested in your unique style. Whether you specialize in photography, graphic design, or social media content creation, you'll have the flexibility to work from home and set your schedule. To succeed as a content creator, focus on developing your skills, building a strong online presence, and networking with potential clients or collaborators. By consistently producing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, you can turn your passion into a profitable business venture. I have included a link in the video description for powerful content marketing tools that you can use below. Number 5. Private tuition. Offering private tuition from home is an excellent way to share your expertise and earn a steady income without any upfront investment. Whether you excel in a particular academic subject, musical instrument, or language, there's always a demand for personalized learning experiences. By advertising your services locally or online, you can attract students who are seeking extra help or specialized instruction. As a private tutor, you'll have the flexibility to set your own schedule and rates, making it a convenient and rewarding business opportunity. To get started, identify your areas of expertise and create a compelling profile highlighting your qualifications and teaching approach. By providing valuable and engaging lessons, you can help your students achieve their learning goals while building a successful tutoring business from the comfort of your own home. Number 6. Marketing agency. With a background in marketing or a passion for digital advertising, you can start your marketing agency from home. By offering services such as social media management, email marketing, and SEO optimization, you can help businesses improve their online presence and attract more customers. As a marketing agency owner, you'll have the opportunity to work with a diverse range of clients and industries, providing valuable insights and strategies to help them achieve their marketing goals. To succeed in this competitive industry, focus on building strong relationships with your clients, staying up to date with the latest marketing trends, and delivering exceptional results. By offering high-quality services and consistently exceeding your clients' expectations, you can establish yourself as a trusted partner and build a thriving marketing agency from the comfort of your own home. Number 7. Instagram selling. Instagram selling offers a lucrative business opportunity for individuals with an eye for aesthetics and a passion for curating stylish products. With the rise of social media influencers and online shopping, Instagram has become a popular platform for showcasing and selling products to a global audience. By creating an Instagram shop and showcasing your products through captivating visuals, you can reach a wide audience of potential customers without the need for a physical storefront. Whether you specialize in fashion, beauty, home decor, or handmade goods, Instagram provides a platform to showcase your products and connect with potential buyers. To succeed in Instagram selling, focus on creating high-quality content that highlights your product's unique features and benefits. Use engaging captions, hashtags, and stories to drive engagement and encourage followers to make a purchase. Additionally, leverage Instagram's features such as shoppable posts and Instagram Live to further promote your products and interact with your audience in real time. With dedication and strategic marketing efforts, Instagram selling can be a profitable venture for entrepreneurs looking to start a business from home. Number 8. Coding. Embarking on a career as a freelance coder is an excellent opportunity to leverage your programming skills and earn a substantial income from home. With the increasing demand for technology solutions in various industries, proficient coders are highly sought after to develop websites, mobile apps, and software programs. As a freelance coder, you'll have the flexibility to choose projects that align with your interests and expertise, allowing you to work on diverse and challenging assignments. Whether you specialize in front-end development, back-end development, or full-stack development, there's a wide range of opportunities available for skilled coders in today's digital age. To kickstart your career as a freelance coder, focus on building a strong portfolio, showcasing your coding projects and expertise. By networking with potential clients and continuously upgrading your skills to keep pace with emerging technologies, you can establish yourself as a reputable coder and build a successful business from the comfort of your own home. Let's recap. Today's videos. Starting a business from home without any capital is entirely feasible thanks to the plethora of opportunities available in the digital world. Whether you choose to pursue web development, copywriting, video editing, or any other business idea mentioned in this video, remember that success requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. So, roll up your sleeves, embrace the entrepreneurial spirit, and embark on your journey to financial independence from the comfort of your own home. If you're interested in learning more about any of the business ideas discussed in this video, click the link in the video description to explore recommended courses and resources. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.